For this rail on top, I've got this piece of poplar that I'm going to cut these notches in. So these are, let's see, each one is 3/16 and 3/16 apart from each other. So that's pretty easy to do. 1, 2, 3/16, 3/16, 1, 2, 3/16. Awesome. Now I've got my miter saw set up to stop before cutting all the way through, so it's only going to cut a groove in there. It's not going to slice it completely off. And just like that, we have a rail. All of these wood pieces are going to get a few coats of filler primer and then sanded to reduce the wood grain look. For these grip panels, I'm going to try this 3mm thick expanded PVC foam board. Wasn't quite happy with the size of this compared to what I have actually built so far. I kind of retraced it on a piece of paper, adding some dimensions in places, and I'll cut that out, transpose that onto the PVC. I think I'm gonna need to go get more screws. All right, I think it's time to assemble the receiver. I'm gonna start with these two pieces so that I can meld them together, and these two pieces because I need to trim this top piece down to match that a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm going to double up the cement on these pieces because they are structural. Got some filling to do on the back of the grip here, a little more contouring, and that'll be good. All right, size I think. drilling out these barrels so that they look like real barrels. There we go, that's cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so these are assembled pieces. There are some other hard pieces that aren't going to get the same sealing treatment as the foam pieces are, and these are going to get sealed with Plasti-Dip. I'm going to use black on the main body and white on the barrels because the main body is a dark gray and the barrels are a yellowish, orangish color, so it's just going to be easier to paint over the white on the barrels rather than sealing them black and then putting a white base coat on. So that's my plan.